Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll down, choose Motion Smoothness, and click on the best option for you, Adaptive or Standard. Lastly, to save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!